Meaning of dissidence.
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 Dissidence. Dissidence refers to a state of disagreement or opposition, often with regards to political or social issues. It can manifest in various forms, such as protests, activism, or dissenting opinions. The result of dissidence can include challenging the status quo, promoting alternative ideas or solutions, and sparking societal change. However, it can also lead to conflict and discord within groups and communities. Overall, dissidence is an essential element of a functioning democracy, as it allows for diverse perspectives to be heard and considered.